Yes students, this is the our question number 8. Draw a rough sketch of the two triangles such that they have the 5 pairs of the congruent parts but the still triangle are not congruent. Okay, so it's very easy students. We have to draw over here rough sketch. 5 parts are congruent. Okay, 5 pairs of the triangle are congruent with the each other. Only which one is not? One. Okay, one pair is not congruent, then also these triangles are not congruent. So we have to draw over here. Suppose I am drawing over here. It's very easy students. This side and maybe this side equal. Okay, these and I am doing like this way. This is also equal. So here these and these are equal, these and these are equal. This one over here which angle? 90. Over here it's also 90. But here this one is like this and maybe this one is like, I want to draw little bit big. Okay, these are not equal. See students, what I am to show you over here, suppose it's a 30 degree. So here is the 30 degree. Over here this one 60. So here also 60. How many parts are equal? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is given. Nothing is given here. ABC, suppose over here PQR. Okay, this is the two sketch. Nothing is given regarding the PR and AC. Okay, so these 5 parts are the congruent, but the 6th one is not congruent. That's why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. No, this is not congruent. Understood? So here you have to, it's not compulsory students, you have to draw like this way. Any figure you can take. Okay, so you have to, what you have to prove students, 5 parts are congruent. Any 5 you can take, they are congruent. But see students, if you will take the all the sides are congruent, then triangle must be congruent. Okay, so don't take, leave the one side is not congruent, other parts are congruent, and now this triangle are not congruent. It means to, here you have to learn one thing, to prove the congruency between the triangle we must need all parts are congruent. Okay, this thing just we have to remember over here. Okay, now question number 9. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent. Sorry, if triangle ABC and PQR to be congruent, name one additional pair of the corresponding parts. What criterion did you use over here? We have to write one additional pair. Which one additional pair? So see over here, this angle and this angle. It's already given. This is the 9th one. Okay. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. They are what given? It's already given. They are congruent. Okay. So are congruent. They are congruent. Now check what is given. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle Q, it is already given 90 degree right angle. Okay, both are right angle. Yes, angle C equal to angle R. What is given students? Angle C equal to angle R is already given in a question. Okay, now we have to add one more parts. Which part we have to add? See over here, observe properly. Very easy students. Yes, included side. which one is a included side? Here BC is a included side between two angle. Over here RQ is included with the two angle. Okay, now here what we have to write? BC is equal to RQ or QR. So check over here, BC is over here. So what is given? QR. So we have to write BC is equal to QR. If you will write RQ, then it is wrong, students. Okay, listen properly. Here what are the name given in same order we have to write in our corresponding part. So here my BC is equal to QR. This is the additional side what we added. Okay, it's the included side between two angle. Okay, what criterion did you use? So therefore here you have to write, therefore triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. According to which criterion? Write over here, by angle, side angle congruent criterion. Okay, rule, whatever you can write. Angle, side angle. Why we wrote over here angle, side angle? Angle, side angle. Okay. Please students try to understand. It's a very easy chapter. If you will involve, then you can understand easily. And if you are not involved in it, then you can't understand easily. And this is the very important chapter, students. Don't skip it. Okay. Whatever portion I am taking in your exam, which one I will read up, all these things I will share in my videos. Okay. Whenever I will explain you, then I will share this. We are not taking in exam like this way. Okay, so please students, prepare your notebook nicely. Don't take it easy. Maths is a very important subject. Now move to the question number 10. Explain why triangle ABC congruent FED. Okay, it's already given, so we have to explain why these are congruent. Orally I am giving you, students, so you have to write. Okay, how to write, students? So first ever you have to write with the triangle ABC and triangle FED. What is given? These two triangle is there we have. What is given? Right over here. What is given? Angle B is equal to angle E. Is the given right angle. Yes or not? Another which thing is given? A equal to angle F. Angle A equal to angle F. Already given. Another which thing is given? BC. BC equal to ED. BC equal to, see over here you have to write ED or DE. So you can identify over here. BC equal to what given? ED. So you have to write ED. Okay. Now check. These are congruent. Yes. See over here included side is not there. Then also this triangle is congruent. Why? Because right angle congruency rule. Okay. So you have to write, thus triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Whenever you are writing the name of the triangle, then you have to be careful. Okay, whenever A is there, then F, BC, then ED. Whenever B, then E. Okay, if you write over here EFD, then your whole answer will be wrong. So according to which criterion? So over here you have to write by right hand side. It means right angle triangle congruency rule or criteria, whatever. Okay, so here this is the our 10th one. So students, here our chapter is over. Please make the practice, and it's a very easy chapter. And if your idea is not clear, if your concept is not clear regarding the congruency criterion, how to prove the triangle is congruent, then in 8th standard students you feel very difficulty. Okay, we have to learn more regarding this. So please clear your idea. Thank you.